Oh,
Yes, bro.
yeah. So thank you for joining everyone. So now we can start the session. So today we are discuss about the IP and subnetting. So
Okay.
first, yeah. So there are two types of IP. Okay, one is the IP version 4 and one is the IP version 6. IP version 4 is the 32-bit and IP version 6 is the 132-bit. Okay,
128.
128-bit, right? So IP address actually we are using in the network environment. Suppose that if you want to communicate to one device to another device, that time every device should be unique IP address, because without IP we cannot able to communicate the any device in the network environment, right? Suppose that
Right.
right now we are communicating with you, I am communicating with you. So this is the communication way you are communicate with me and me also communicate with you by voice, right? So our voice you are understand, your voice I am understand. So same like that, suppose that if you have in the network environment multiple device, okay, like a switch, PC, laptop, printer, right? PMS system, access control system, surveillance system, lot of system. So every system, if you connect to the network, that time assign the IP address, right? Without IP address, how to communicate? So also require the support if you want to any device communicate in the network environment, definitely require the IP address, unique IP address. But we cannot assign the same IP address in the multiple device. If you assign the multiple device on the same IP address, that time you will get issue, right?
Okay, bro.
So
Can I ask one doubt? So
yeah,
you
yeah, no
told that
problem. You can ask
uh,
always.
you told that two devices should be communicating. So the if two devices need to communicate, the two devices need an individual IP, unique IP, right?
Right,
Okay.
right, right. Correct. You are correct.
So I'm
Understand.
asking that if I want to, if I have a mobile phone and I am entering into a hospital, so I am or airport, so I need to connect to the Wi-Fi. Okay,
Okay.
connect to the Wi-Fi. I need to connect my mobile to the Wi-Fi. So for that also, that Wi-Fi address have Wi-Fi device have also IP address. Also, my phone should have an IP address. So in order to enter into that, to connect that Wi-Fi, this IP address should be the right. There should be also
Yeah.
communication between IP address. Am I right?
r- Right, right. You are right. Suppose that just I understand your thought. I explain you again. Suppose that you asking me कि you go to any palace. Suppose that just you given me example as a airport. Suppose that you went to the airport, okay, and you want to connect your phone to airport network, right? So that
Right.
time first you open the Wi-Fi, okay, and you click there. Then you will get the SSID, airport SSID, okay. So airport SSID get, after that you put the username and password, okay. So first of all you sign in that time you put the, suppose that every airport have the ICE, identity service engine there, okay. So all Wi-Fi is authenticate through the ICE portal. ICE I will discuss later what is the ICE. ICE is using for security purpose in the network environment. Suppose that if you want to control the WLC, okay, and Wi-Fi authentication, because ICE is controlling every authenticate triple E, right? You maybe I think aware regarding the triple A, okay. So same future is using the AAA on the ACL access control list, and same like that WLC and all switch and for all firewall is integrated with the ICE. So suppose that time two type of authentication. One is the suppose that if you go to airport, so we can assign the sponsor, and you if you want to assign itself, it means the guest itself assign register. But so we are go to airport, that time we are assign the itself, no need to author, no need to go with or a sponsor not allow. You can itself, it means the put the mobile number and country code, and just you sign in, right? You will get the OTP and put the OTP there, and you are able to the sign in. That time you get the IP address. Okay, because if you connect the through the network, that time you get wireless IP address, right? And before you assign the IP address in your phone, so this is the your that is your phone network, right? Your SIM network IP address, and you will get this IP is the your wireless network. So I hope you are understand, right?
Yes, yes,
Hello.
yes.
So do you have any doubt regarding this? Hello.
No, bro, no, bro.
Oh, so maybe I think clear, right? Faisal bhai, are you here?
Yeah, no, yes, I am here.
Yeah.
Continue.
So do you have any doubt? Let me know if you get any doubt. Okay.
Okay.
So go to next slide, and so we also discuss about the this. So actually, first we will discuss about the IP version 4 class. Okay, there are 5 class of the IP version 4. One is class A started to 0 to 126. 127 is uh, used
That
for
is
loop backup. Okay, and
okay.
class B using the IP address 120 128 to 191. Okay, and class C using 192 to 23. Class D using 224 to 239. Class E using 242 to 55. Right. But
Right.
in the network environment right now, we are using only 3 class IP: class A, class B, class C. Class D, class E, we did not use the IP address, because class E is also used for class E IP address reserved for the development. Okay, network developer team, this
Okay.
IP is used. Yeah, and just this is the main point. Suppose that if you assign the any palace the IP address, that time this point should be remember, because suppose that which IP you will assign the class A or class B. If you assign the class A IP address, then this is the default subnet mask 255.255.0.0.0. Okay, if you assign the class B, you this is the default 255.255.0.0. This is the default subnet mask. Okay, and class C 255.255.255.0. Just I am asking you, you are no understand about network ID and host ID. What is the host ID in the class C? Can you tell me? Do you have any idea about, and uh, how many have the host ID and network ID in class C? In class C IP address, class C or class B, anyone? Faisal bhai and Basit, can you give me answer?
In class B, two host and two network.
Class B, hello?
Yes, bro.
Yeah,
Class
yeah,
A, one
yeah.
host and
One host. Can you speak loudly? I don't understand what you tell me. Hello? Hello. Okay, I explain you. Suppose that this is the class A. Okay, so class A, this is the network ID. This is network ID, and this 000. This is the host. So only 8-bit on. Only here 8-bit on, and 3 bit 888 24-bit is the off, right? So one is
Right.
host, one is the one this is the network id, this is the network id 255, this is the network id, and this is the host id
Oh,
000, this is the host id. Okay, and same like that class B, here is
two host
24.
maybe.
Sorry, I am audible.
Yes, you are audible.
Yeah, so class B, we have a two 16 network id and 16 host id. Same class C, we have a 24 network id and
And eight.
host id 8, right?
Right.
Because 64 uh, IP version 4 have the 32-bit. Okay, so it means 32-bit means 4 octet. Okay, so
Oh,
each octet is the 8-bit. Suppose that this is the 1 octet, this is the 1 octet, this is the 1 octet, this is the 1 octet. It means the 4 octet, this is the 4 octet. So
eight.
we have a 4 octet. So 4 octet, each octet is the 8-bit. So 8 8 16, right? And 16 and 8 24, and 24 and 8 32, right? So only here have on the 8-bit, right? And here is on the 24 16-bit, and here class C have a on the
4.
24 24-bit 24-bit and one host. So I hope you are understand, right?
Right.
Okay, bro, I have one doubt that so where why we are discussing about bit and all we will use in our work or we will use in this assigning or something. Can you tell me about that?
So you can you speak loudly? Actually your voice is breaking.
Hello, hello,
Your voice is not coming properly.
hello. How about now?
Yeah, now you are audible.
Okay, okay, bro. For what we are discussing about bit will we use in our work or can you explain about scenarios or something where we
Yeah,
will use this
definitely,
bit?
definitely, bro. Definitely, we will use the bit without. If you
For
don't know
subnetting.
about the class IP address, if you don't know about the how many bit this IP address, how many host IP address, how many the network ID, how can you will do the subnetting without understanding this IP class? So first understanding about the IP class, then you are able to how many host ID and network ID, how many have bit, then you can do it the subnetting. Without before understanding, we will not, you will not perform the subnetting,
Subnetting.
right? So
Okay,
I
so
also before explain you what is the subnetting. Subnetting actually,
yes.
if you have the large network, okay, suppose that if you have the class A, so class A IP I will assign. So this is the very large network. Okay, so very large network, we will manage the network team. It will very difficult. Too much traffic is going, so that's why we will face too much issue. So we will perform the network. We will enhance the network and enhance the network and enhance network performance and security. That's why we are doing their subnetting. So we will configure, we will make the subnetting. So suppose that if you have the multiple device,
Bro, your
Bro, you are.
voice.
Yes, yes, yes.
yeah, I am audible.
Yes.
Yeah, so we can set that in the simple way कि large network divided into large network to a small network. Okay,
Subnet.
suppose that,
Mm.
just I give you example. As per, suppose that if you have the university या college या big company, okay, so big company you assign this IP address class A IP address. Okay, so class A IP address will give the too much IP address, right? So that time if you not configure the subnetting, so you will managing the IP address, you will face too much difficult, right? So should we configure there the subnetting? So if you configure the subnetting, then your define the network in a small categories, and you are able to manage the network very easy, and you are able to control the IP address easily. So that's why we are doing their subnetting, right? I hope you are understand.
Okay, bro. So how should I understand these IP classes? I mean, if for example, if I am saying that 10 dot, if I can assign I'm assigning an IP. Okay, for example, 10 dot 12 dot 13 dot 14. I assign like this.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
that will be 10 dot 11 dot 13 dot 14. This IP. So how will be in class A, right?
Class A.
Bro, suppose that, just I 1 second open the word. What you have doubt, I understand. 1 second. Suppose that you are asking me 10 dot 0 dot and uh, 1 dot 15. Okay. So if you assign this IP address, so that is the class A. Okay, this is the class A. If you now we are assigned, hello, suppose that 255 dot
Hmm.
255 dot 255 sorry 0 dot 0 dot 0 dot 0 dot. This is the subnet mask and gateway. 10 dot
Class A.
0 dot 1 dot 1. This is the class A IP address. This is class A IP address. And again, if you assign suppose that 10 dot 0 dot 2 dot या 16 या 1 dot या 2 dot, any you can type it, 0 dot 0 dot, and subnet gateway 10 dot 0 dot 1 dot sorry 2 dot 1. Okay, so this is also class A. This is the class A. Class A, suppose that only we are matching the one network ID. If you match the net, suppose that, just I give you example how can match. Suppose that this is the PC1 and suppose that this is PC1 and same like that, copy paste, just here copy and here paste. Same I copy here and paste. Okay. So we will write here PC1 and same PC2. Okay. And I assign this IP address here. For that. Okay. And suppose that assign the PC number to IP address. 1 second. One 92.168 no 10 dot 10 dot 0 dot 1 dot 17. Okay. And 255 dot 0 dot 0 dot 0. Gateway 10 dot 0 dot 1 dot 1. This IP address is assigned in second PCB. Okay. And the same 1 second. This is the PC2. Okay. So hello, are you here? Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
bro.
sure,
Yes,
sure.
yes, yes, yes.
Yeah. So now just I connect both PC. Connect this PC to this PC. Okay. This both are connected. So now we are assigned this. We are configure 10.0.1.2 PC number 1 subnet mask 2550.0 and 10.0.1. Right. And we also configure the 10.0.1.17 2550.0. So now we are able to communicate, right?
Bro,
Both
bro,
are
what
the
is this 10.0.1.1?
sorry
10.0.1.1. What is that?
this
Gateway.
one.
Gateway.
This is the gateway, bro.
Okay, okay.
This is the gateway.
Okay, can you explain about gateway? Is that the network or something? What we will say briefly?
This is the IP address. This is the subnet mask.
Okay, okay, okay.
This is the subnet mask. You understand? Hello?
Yes, bro. Yes, yes.
Now you understand?
Yes, bro. Yes, yes, yes.
This is the
Yes.
IP, this is the subnet mask, this is the gateway. So we assign the both are the same IP address, same series. It is not different series. If you suppose that I change this one to dot 6. Now this PC number 1 to PC number 2, it will communicate or not communicate. Can you answer me?
Communicate.
How to
No, it will
communicate?
not.
Why
It will
no?
communicate.
Why it will not
Series,
communicate? Why it will
bro,
not
series
communicate? Who
is
said
different
me?
now. Series is
Sorry?
different.
So
Series
how to
is different.
communicate?
So
I also
it
know
required a subnetting. Subnetting.
both are the different subnet, but I
Yes,
want
yes,
to
yes.
communicate. How to
इस
communicate?
इस केसेस में ही वो होगा सबनेटिंग.
आप किसने बोला कि एक कम्युनिकेट नहीं करेगा? फैसल भाई, राइट? बासित बोला कम्युनिकेट करेगा, तो कैसे कम्युनिकेट करेगा? कैन यू प्रूव हियर? could you prove here how to communicate?
Yeah,
What is the
bro.
required for
I told
communication?
you. Yeah, I told you to will communicate because the before that the gateway are same. No. Also, the
Where
network
gateway is same?
IP class is also same. So that's why I told that it will communicate.
How do you understand the this IP is same or different?
This IP is different, but the IP classes are same. No, both are class A, so it will communicate. No.
Bro, both are different. Only class is the same, but IP is different. This is the different subnet,
Okay, yeah, IP is different.
and this is the different network. This is the different network. Both are the different network, right?
Okay, yes. Bro, this network, which
Yeah.
means which by looking gateway or seeing IP address, we will say the network is different. Gateway, no. By looking gateway, only the network is different, right?
Gateway, this we are understanding from gateway. If you have different gateway, that time you cannot able to communicate. Suppose that just I type again. Suppose that 10 dot 0 dot 1 dot 2 dot 16. Okay.
Well, you can
And
you write that, bro? 10.0.2.2 2.2. Can I write that on second PC? Two.
yeah, 2 dot
Yes.
2
Okay. Then the gateway
and
is same.
0 dot 2 dot 2. Yeah, 2 dot 0 dot 0 dot 2 dot
100.
10 dot
Uh,
2 dot 0 dot 1.
hmm.
Okay. So just
Bro, gateway is
so
different.
here should we change the gateway?
Yeah, gateway
One
is not
second.
as per the IP you have
Yeah,
mentioned.
yeah,
Bro,
once
can you
again.
explain me about gateway? I am confused about that by looking IP. How should I write a gateway by looking IP?
Sorry.
Can you explain about
Hello?
that? How I will write gateway on getting an IP? If I'm seeing an IP 198.168.15.1, this is an IP. So what will be the gateway? How I will write the gateway?
Which IP can you, एक second, just I write you. Which IP you are saying me? Can you tell? 192.16 168 dot
192.168.19.5.
19.5.
Yeah. So what will be that gateway?
So this is the subnet mask 255.255.255.0
Zero.
and gateway is
One nine
192.168.19.1.
two. This is 19.1.
Last will be one, right?
No, yeah, last will be one because this is the class C IP address. This is class C IP address, and class C IP address should be three. Here three network
First three
host.
will be
Yeah,
same, na? First three
three
will be
network
same.
ID and one is the host ID. You understand? You understand
Okay.
about this? This is the network
Yes.
ID. There are three network
Yes.
ID. One is the host ID.
Okay.
If you suppose that if you want to communicate to another network, so each device will be check three host ID. If you match the three host ID, then we are able to communicate to one PC to another PC. If you now not match the three network ID, then we are not able to communicate to one network to another network, one PC to another PC, right?
Okay.
You
Okay.
understand?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Suppose that yeah, suppose that just
Bro, on the above PC1 and PC2, that won't be communicate, right?
yeah, suppose that just I change here right now. Right now the this IP to this IP. Right now this IP assigned to PC number 2 and this IP assigned to PC number 1. So both are
Okay.
communicate or not communicate?
Not
Both are.
communicate
I am asking you, why not communicate?
because the three network IDs are different.
Right, you are understand now. Yes, great. Yeah, because now there is a three network ID. There is a three network ID, right?
Oh yes, yes, bro.
Yeah.
So if the IP is, can you write one IP?
Three network ID, but this here is three network ID should be three network ID should be match to another PC, one PC to another PC, right?
Yes, yes.
Source to
Oh yes,
destination, source to
Then it will
destination.
be
But
communicate.
both are the not matching, right?
yes,
Right now both are the different. This is the different, this is the different network, this is the different network, right? Only are
yes.
matching the two network, only are matching here two network. But if you have class C IP address, if you have class C IP address, I give you example class C. 1 second, just sum up, go to up. This is the class A IP address, this is the class B, and sorry, this is the class A, this is the class B IP address, and this is the class C IP address. Okay, right now this is the class C IP address. So just I change the IP address 172.16.0.
Bro,
dot
can I
okay.
say one IP? Can you give a backspace?
Sorry,
I will say you one IP 172.8.0.10. Can I assign that now?
one second.
172.8.0.10.
Okay, this one, right?
Yes, yes. 8 dot
Okay,
0 dot now it's one.
yeah,
Yes. And
yeah,
another
Asa,
IP
yeah, I
and
assign it.
another IP I will say. Okay. another IP, I will say.
One second, just give me
Yes, yes,
1
yes.
minute. Yeah, you can tell,
Okay.
bro.
Now
Yeah,
next
you
IP
can tell.
is okay.
Okay.
172 dot
You can sorry, can you speak loudly? Actually, your voice
ah
is coming slowly here.
okay. I will say you another IP 172 dot 6 dot
Oh, 1 second. Okay, 172.6
6
dot
dot 6
6
6
dot
2 dot
yeah
2
2 dot
dot 10 10.
10 yeah
Ah.
gateway
Uh, gateway to 172.6.2.1.
6.2.1. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
this is right
So
as per your
okay.
recording, right?
So
Yeah,
this
tell.
won't be this also won't be connect, right?
Yeah, this IP is configure the PC number 1. This IP configure to PC number 2.
Two. This won't be
Yeah,
this can't be connected, right?
sorry.
It will
This
not
two
communicate.
these two devices can't be connected, right? Because the IPs are different, no?
Communicate or not communicate?
Not
Your
communicate.
means. Right. Why not communicate?
Because 172.8.0.10, another one is 172.6.2.10. That's why.
The series is
Correct,
different.
correct. You are right,
Yeah,
absolutely
so
right.
bro,
But
can you
how to communicate?
we need to change to 172 dot
Bro,
Yeah,
it
Faisal
will be
bhai, you are asking
it
me?
will be it will be communicate with the help of subnetting to different network.
No subnetting, no need
Subnetting and
subnetting.
routing,
How to communicate here? Routing, right. So
routing.
where we will perform the writing? Right now we have only two PC. Where we will perform the routing?
Actually,
switch.
when we connect to the
What
outside
is
network,
required here? Suppose that if you want to communicate different network, uh, uh, when will we communicate? What is possible? What is the required here for communication for different network? Network infrastructure right now have only two PC, but I want to communicate both different network. So how can communicate? What is required here?
Router
Why router required?
for routing.
What we will do? What will we will do there on the router?
We will do routing.
router is make the path na to communicate to each other.
Which part make? Yeah, you are absolutely both are right. So now require the router. Okay, we will.
So, bro, can I ask something? Something? Can I ask you something, bro? Without
Yeah, ask
router
me.
itself, if I am, you can we change that IP? No, we can change that IP, which means that I can change to 172.8.0.11. Can you change that IP? That second IP, the
Yeah, here,
172.6.2.10. No, that next one.
here,
No, bro. The green,
192. Yeah, one
green second one, second PC, green color second PC,
172.
se-
second, down,
which
down,
one?
172.
down, 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 down.
Okay, 172.
Okay. Yes. I will tell the IP, so that will be connected. You say, type backspace.
Okay,
Okay. No, okay. Stop. 170. Okay. 172 dot 172 dot 8
170,
dot
178 dot
0 dot
0 dot
11.
11.
So
Gateway.
I am assigning this IP to the PC2. So this PC1 and PC2 will be communicate, right?
Right.
Right now
So
no
same
need
series,
to
no?
require the router in
Yes.
because both are the same network. Both are the
Oh,
same network. This is the
okay, okay.
172 8 bit. This is the 172 also matching. Here also same, right? And
Yes.
this is 8, here also 8, right?
Yes.
Here is
Yes.
0, here is 0, but only this is the second. So second is the two network id and two host id. So we are matching only two id, 172.1 and 8. Okay, and we did, if you change here, suppose that just I change 5, and I
Bro,
also change here, I also change here 5 7, and I also change the gateway here 7. So now both PC will be communicate or not communicate. Faisal bhai, you give me
yes,
answer.
bro.
Huh?
No, it will not communicate without routing.
Okay. Hello, Basit are here, right? You give
Yes.
me
Yes.
answer.
Yes. It
You
will.
can give
It
me
will
answer.
not communicate
Why not communicate?
because the first PC it is 0. The second PC is 7 because the three
No, no,
network.
no, no, no. It will communicate, bro. It will communicate. Actually, this is the class C IP address, right? So class C IP address, how many host? You know how many network ID? I
No, no,
already
it's a
before
class
explain you
B,
how
na.
many network ID.
Bro,
How
it's
many
class
network
B, na.
ID here?
Two network ID.
Bro, class B. I know class B. How many network ID? I am asking you.
Two network
Two
ID and two
network
host
ID.
ID.
Two network ID.
Two network ID. How many host ID?
Two host
Yeah,
ID.
yeah,
How
it,
many
it
host
can be
ID?
communicate, bro. Yes.
Never understand. Never understand. Okay, okay. Two network IDs are we are looking right. Net by
Right,
looking on
right,
two
right.
network IDs only we can.
Only we will check the network ID. We will not check the host ID. If network ID is the
Bro,
same, then
voice got
both
down.
PC will be communicate.
Yes.
Yes, bro.
Hello.
Got it.
Hmm. Hello, Shan Bhaiya.
Yes. Hello. Are
Bhaiya,
you audible?
बोलो. Yes,
Hmm.
yes.
Asal bhai, are you
Clear.
audible? Yeah. So now I hope you are understand, right?
Right.
So both are understand, right? So we will go next
Yes.
slide.
Next.
So we can close here this one and go to the our PPT, and so
But
also we will
bro,
discuss here.
but tomorrow,
Yeah,
tomorrow, uh, how to communicate two different networks. So tomorrow we will study deeply.
not two network we will communicate, we will study that time we will perform the routing,
Okay.
then we are able to communicate.
Okay, okay.
Okay,
Sure. Okay, bro.
but we can show that, no problem, we will show that, but tomorrow we don't have topic about the routing. Actually before routing we can understanding lot of things, then we will go to the routing, that is better for everyone.
Yes, yes, you are
Okay.
right. You are right.
Yeah, right now we are yeah, so routing is the last part.
Yes,
We will
we
configure
need
router
to
that time,
learn more terms.
right now we are understanding about the IP address, our IP subnetting. After subnetting we will study about the switching. Okay,
Yes,
so
yes,
this one
yes.
complete, then we will start the switching. So we will
Oh,
study briefly
Oh,
regarding the
please see the
switching. Yeah, yes.
see the time also. Here is 12:10. Continue.
Yeah, so yeah, Basit, you are asking me something maybe.
no, no, no. I'm saying that we need to know more terms. What is router? What is switch? What is modem? After that, only we can move on to router, right?
Yes.
Yes, after getting the concept about the devices, only we can move. So that's better.
Yeah.
Inshallah.
Yeah. So, bro, you know this support that you understand support that this is the 192.168.1.1. This is converted in the binary format. Actually, every computer understand the 0 and 1 format. This is the decimal format, right? So decimal format is not understanding computers, so that's why convert in the
But
binary
in
format, then data will be transferred to one PC to another PC, right? So
right.
maybe I think you know everyone understanding about the binary, right?
Yeah, right.
Basit, you know how to convert the decimal to binary?
Yes, bro. I know. I know. Hello, bro. Your voice is
Yeah.
not.
So no need to convert the decimal to binary here, right?
Yes, I know. I know. I know.
Okay. So go to next slide, and
Yeah,
we will study also here the private IP and public IP. Or also explain you public IP and private IP. I think also you are understand the public and private IP, right?
you have already discussed about it.
Yeah. So public IP support that any ISP we will provide the public IP, right? And if you create in you itself
Local network.
the network infrastructure, and you that if you created the local network only IP, that is the right. Also getting it divided the network into
Bro,
that use the yes, about this why we are using it. Hello,
Yes, bro.
Faisal bhai,
yes,
are
bro.
you
Yes,
here?
bro.
Yes,
You are understand about the /24 why we are using.
Yes,
no, no.
yes.
Actually, your voice is not clear. That
Okay, now I am audible.
yes,
I am asking you. You are understand about the /24.
Bro, that /24 we know. Okay, how this is for writing a shortest way to write that subnet mask for 250 instead of writing 255.255.255.0 we can write /24.
Yeah.
That's it. But we want
Abhi support
to learn about the calculation
Abhi
that
suppose
we want.
that this is the class. Which class this subnet? This is the which class of the subnet?
class B.
Class B.
Class.
B.
B.
So which slash we are using here?
That we don't
Slash
know.
number. What is the slash here? Faisal why?
16 slash
16 slash
mm,
16, right?
16. Right.
Right. You are understand here slash
8.
8.
slash 8, right?
Right.
Yeah. So now you
Okay,
are
okay.
understand. Now we are
Yes.
using because here is how many hosts and how many
One
network.
host.
There
One
is a
host.
three network. There is a three network, one host. So one three network ID, right? So each network ID it means the 8 bit, right? 8 bit, 8 bit, 8 bit. So 8 at 16 and 16 and at 24. So 24 bit, right? And
Right.
here we are using the 8 bit and 8 bit, 8 and 8, 16 bit, right? And 16 bit host ID. So host ID we are not consider here, only consider the network ID. So network
Right.
ID slash network 16 and 24 255.0.0.0 right? So here is the 8 host and 16 sorry see, yeah, 20 8 network ID and host ID 24, right? So we are using here only 8, right? Because
Right.
here is 8 bit on, 8 bit on, right?
Right.
So I hope you are understand, right?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
And if you want to suppose that I want to convert this one, so suppose that 255, 255. If you want to, you define in the first. No, no, that is calculation, but we cannot do here. So we will do on another way.
Bro,
Okay,
the
so
time.
maybe I think you
Okay.
are understand this one.
Yes,
Sorry.
bro.
Yes. Yes.
So, please see the time. कितनी slide है अभी?
Yeah, yeah. Time I also see that,
Hmm.
and slide may be also completed. So this is also subnetting part. Okay, and this is also this is the reserve IPA. So 00, this is the default router. If you
Put
perform the routing, that time you can use the default routing. And 127 0.0.1, this is the loopback IP address we are
pipa,
using for the looping purpose. And this is broadcast IP address. And suppose that if you don't have configured the DSCP on your switch, your router, or any device, at that time, if you assign the automatically IP address, this is
pipa.
the APIPA IP address. Yeah.
Okay. For
So suppose that
DSCP.
you maybe I think you are faced this IP address on the
Yeah,
laptop. If
yeah.
you connect the laptop from in any network and there is no any DSCP configuration on the switch or router, that time you will get uh, this
Pipa.
IP address automatically on your
Hmm.
laptop, right? So you can see
उठाता
that
है.
there. So this is a pipa IP address. This format, if you get this format, then you will understand that's each apipa, right?
Right. तो जहाँ पे
Yes.
DSCP नहीं होगा वहाँ
So
पे अपीपा उठाएगा.
राइट, अगर जहाँ पे DSCP कॉन्फ़िगर नहीं होगा वहां पे आपने ये आईपी अगर लैपटॉप को कनेक्ट किए तो ऑटोमेटिक आपको असाइन होगी, समझे?
IP कॉन्फ़िगर करेंगे तो इट विल शो द अपीपा.
राइट, राइट, राइट. And this is the IP version 6. So IP version 6 is the 28 bit, and this is the IP version format. This is format. It means IP version 6 format is as a MAC address format. MAC address का जो format रहता है ना, उसी format में IP version 6 का हम लोग चेक कर सकते हैं, उसी format के तरह रहता है, समझे?
ओके.
समझे भाई.
Yeah. So learn binary conversion and you can try to do the binary there tomorrow and we will see that.
Okay.
Okay,
So
we can learn the calculation tomorrow, bhai.
sorry.
We can learn this calculation tomorrow. CADR value, like
Yeah,
all those
tomorrow
things.
you can try to learn. Okay, and if you get any issue, you can ask me. I will tell you later. Okay.
Okay,
So
okay,
if
okay.
you do the calculation in here, it will take too much time, right?
Yes.
Because yeah, so you can try to take the calculation itself. Okay, so that is better
Okay.
for you.
Okay,
Okay,
bro.
so now we can stop the session here, and we will discuss tomorrow. Okay, and
Okay.
so we can close it here. Okay, thank you everyone. Thank you for
Thank you.
joining.
Assalamu alaikum.
Nice to meet you. Walaikum salam.